Give your pool a little TLC with the Aiper Pilot V2 handheld pool vacuum. Tackle cleaning the stair and corners other cleaners just can't. Switching between regular and power mode ensure the Pilot V2 is always up for the job. Achieve a deeper clean and maximum reach without needing to get wet by attaching your Pilot V2 to any standard pool pole you already own. And do it all without disturbing the rest of the yard, as the Pilot V2 is whisper quiet at only 50 dBs. Cleaning your Pilot V2 is simple. Just remove the bottom brush, empty collected debris into a wastebasket, and rinse. It's that simple. Charging your Pilot V2 for its next round of cleaning is just as easy, thanks to the charging dock.